Hello guys, so also introducing some of our spare parts in here. So this is the head pulley for ring chain bucket elevators. So if you see this shape, so you know it is a ring chain because the ring chains are, we have shown the ring chain in our last video. So and if we take a look in here, we can see these are also our ring chain spare parts for the ring chain bucket elevators. So, okay, you see we have a ring chain in here. So this one is the ring chain, and then it fits into the pit on this steel casting, so that when it is turning, and then it drives the bucket elevator to rotate. And then if we take a look in here, this is the head pulley for our belt conveyors. So the belt conveyors, we have the head pulley and also the tail pulley. And then this one is the drive pulley. And it is adopting this form because, for self-cleaning. So we also, the head pulley is coated with, with rubber. And then, but this tail pulley, we use this square cage type. So now if we take a look in here, you can see we are also doing the machinings of the head pulley. So, so if you take a look in here, that we're doing the machinings of the tail pulley. And also we can down the balance test of the tail pulleys in here. Yep. So yeah, so these are our areas for the spare parts. So we use this one to assemble the crusher or the bucket elevators. Yep. So thank you guys.